G'day, it's Robbie again. Well, as I'm laid up, I can't do much in the workshop. I thought I'd amuse myself. I'll do a video. I'll show you a really good trick that you can use to clean up your workshop coffee cup and get those horrible stains out without hardly any work whatsoever. Now, there's a whole bunch of videos out there on how to clean coffee cups, and everybody uses baking soda and some sort of Brillo pad, you know, like that, or even like that, steel wool. And you got to scrub like crazy, and I could never get the damn things really clean without, you know, spending a long time doing it. But there's a dirt simple way to clean coffee cups that I came across somewhere, and people probably don't even know it exists, but yeah. I'll give you a demo. I mean, look at that cup. I'll come in close with a good look at that. So yeah, here's a coffee cup I had when I was working in IT, computer whiz. It looks pretty grotty, doesn't it? Pretty gross. I mean, we'll clean that and it'll be no problem whatsoever. So what are we going to use to clean it? Well, I'll show you. So here it is. This is what you need. Bleach, just plain bleach. This is cheap. You use it for cleaning all sorts of stuff. You have to wear rubber gloves when you handle this stuff because it's, well, I think it's alkaline, I'm not sure. But got a caution on it. Caution that this will clean up that coffee mug in literally a few minutes. Now there's two ways to do this. You can either get a bucket and put some water in and then tip in a cap full of bleach, or you can put some water in the coffee mug and just tip a tablespoon full of bleach in and just let it stand for 10 minutes and then just swish it around and she'll be done. But either way, it works brilliantly. I'll show you. Check this out. We'll do it the easy way. So here's a coffee cup. There's the bleach. Oh. Got a teaspoon. That's all you want. That'll do it, no problem at all. Put in some hot water. Well, it doesn't have to be hot, but hot works pretty well. Alright. Leave it stand for 10 minutes and then we'll wipe the rag around it. We'll wipe this gizmo around it, and you can bet those coffee stains and tea stains will all be gone, no problem. Well, it's been 5 minutes and normally I'd leave it for 10, but actually the easy way is just, as I said, put it in a bucket of water overnight and with some bleach, and that'll do it without any rubbing at all. But anyway, we've got the gloves on, just to be safe. But you can see looking in there, it looks clean already. And we're not even going to use one of these, you know, abrasives. We're just going to use a soft cloth. I'll give it a wipe around and see how it comes out. Have a look at that, guys. Look at that. Clean as a whistle. Looks like brand new. And that was all just soaking. It was no effort at all. So that's the way to clean them. And yeah, if you've got a lot of cups to do, just put them in a bucket of water, stick in as much bleach as you want to. I suppose more bleach is better than not much. So Yeah, but you don't need much really, as I showed you. That was just 1 teaspoonful. That was only soaking for 10 minutes. So if you imagine, you know, if you leave it overnight, it's going to do a hell of a good job. So anyway, that's my household tip. It's about my only household tip I think I've got. But it does work bloody well. And it'll save you a lot of rubbing and cursing and stuffing around. So yeah, once you've done this with the bleach, wash it with your normal wash-up detergent, you know, your normal washing, and that will just make sure there's no bleach residue, and you're good to go. But it's a no fuss, no effort way to do it, and brilliantly simple, so much better than that horrible baking soda method. I just could, you know, I tried that a number of times and just, that's crap. This is the way to do it. Okay, see you next time, guys. Hang in there. Cheers.